You are about to watch Making a Top Bar Hive.
1 mile in fog patches and showers early Friday, but improving to greater than 6 miles on Friday morning.
Stars shining bright above you.
The hive body and all of the hive was just made from scrap wood from around the garage. The thicker the wood, the better. Made the roof, covered it in plastic to give it a good waterproof seal. And then cut some cans to make aluminium ties.
Breezes seem to whisper.
Sensational double thrill, stock car spectacular at 7:30 at noon.
The idea behind the mesh is to keep small insects out of the hive, obviously protecting the bees, and the door is on hinges because in the summer when it gets hot you can open it for ventilation. Quick coat of paint left over from the bathroom and jobs are good. So here we're having a look inside the hive. This is the divider board. This allows me to reduce and expand the size of the hive or divide it into two. These are where the thing gets its name from. These are the top bars. These are what replace the normal frames and allow the bees to draw out natural comb down into the box in a very cool shape.
My friends and how we like to wake up in slow motion.
Here I've just coach bolted a couple of logs onto the side, nice and simple.
We'll talk about the ocean, but never use the lotion. It's not like I got anything to lose. One day I saw a painting, then you started dating.
I'm inserting giant lollipop sticks into a slot in the top bars. I'm going to paint them with beeswax. This will give the bees a starter strip and let them know where to build the comb. So this is how the top bars sit in the hive. Build the comb on the wax strip and a horizontal line across the hive, and this is basically as close as you can get to their natural habitat. And after all that work, it's time for the big installation. So I carried everything down to the bottom of the orange grove and ensued to set up the beehive without getting stung. So this is one of the top bars that I put in the nucleus hive to build a completely natural comb as a starter for when I transfer them. As the nucleus hives are rectangular, I'm having to trim it down a little. No bees, larvae or eggs were harmed in doing this, and I just put a comb in the bottom of the hive so the bees can use it. And without further ado, please welcome tonight's guest, the bee. Here I'm just keeping a close eye out for the queen bee, trying to check whether she goes into the new box. I'm pretty sure she went in as all the bees were swarming around the box. So I just gently brush off the rest of the bees into the box with some grass, it doesn't damage them. Removed any honey from the frames that I could take off the frame and put into the box to give them something to eat and feed on. And you'll see the frames I left outside the hive for them to recollect all the honey and take anything that they needed from it.
Quiet star, quiet star, quiet star, quiet star.
Gently closing the bees up again, making sure not to squish any between the bars, gently wiggle them down, push the bees into the hive. They'll then take this into the hive and use it to stock up new build comb. This old stuff we'll put in a nucleus box, a swarm trap, and use it to catch more bees. Apart from coming to check that they've all made it home after the sunset, that's about it. Bees installed, hive built, and just have to wait for the honey. Blocking a couple of the entrance holes with grass means that the bees will stay in the hive for longer and establish their new home. After a couple of days, I will take it away.